Hi, I've got this Vax cordless vacuum which I've repaired and cleaned a few times. I'll leave the link of the previous videos in the description. But the problem is this time the wheels will come off the floor tool. This is the floor tool here, and this one the prongs are broken off so the wheel won't stay in. Just fits in there like so, but it keeps coming off because a couple of the prongs are broke, as you can see here, and the tyres are worn as well. And this is the other wheel. The prongs are okay on this one, but it still comes off also. And there's a lot of hair around the brush tool. Okay, so there's only two prongs left on this one, so I'll break them off like so. I'm going to attempt to repair it. They just snap off like so. You can see there. And I'm going to use this copper coupler which I've modified, and I'm just going to bend the prongs around like this and try and melt it into the wheel that's broken. Okay, pretty satisfied with that. So what I'm going to do is try and melt this into the wheel using my heat gun. And here you can see me just heating the copper coupler up and just trying to get it to melt into the plastic. Okay, so let me just get a close up of that. There you can see I've got it melted in to the wheel. So it's just a matter of dismantling the floor tool. I'm going to give that a clean also. And you can see me just pressing the modified coupler in, as you can see there, just so it holds the wheel in place. And with the other side, that's not broken, the prongs aren't broken on that one, so I'm just going to shove this bit of sponge inside here, and I put a bit of grease around the wheel as well. Just shove this sponge in here so it braces out, so hopefully it won't come off again. Now that that's on, I'll just reassemble the unit after I give it a clean, as you can see there. So here you can see it's nice and clean. I've got all the hair off the brush tool, and the wheels are on. I'll show you there. Nice and clean inside here also. Got to do this about every 6 months to clean it. The tyres are worn and they're wearing away, so what I'm going to do is a bit of a modification with some tyres, which I'm going to be using this old inner tube. So what I'm going to do is just cut the right size, and in traditional Blue Peter style, here's a couple I've prepared earlier. So it's just a matter of fitting these over the wheel as a tyre. A little bit fiddly, but I'm just going to use a screwdriver just to make sure it's nice and flat all the way around. As you can see there, and then I've just got to do the same to the other side. Once I take the screwdriver out, Okay, pretty satisfied with that. Let's get a little close up. That's what it looks like with the new tyres fitted. seems to be running fine. And if you get bits of string around these little runners here, you can just pop them out with a screwdriver like that, give them a clean and pop them back in. Sometimes you get bits of string stuck in it. Right, let me just get the rest of this stuff out of the way. So just power it on, put the battery back in and power it up. And everything seems to be working fine. Just flip it over and show you the underside. And just power it back on. Okay, so I'm pretty satisfied with that. So with that, thanks for watching once again, and please subscribe.